Hello, my name is Josh Obrecht, and I'm a GIS analyst with the ACPF National Hub. In this video, we're going to discuss the fourth utility provided by the ACPF Toolbox, Project ACPF File Geodatabase to New Spatial Reference. This may be an optional step for you. When you download the core data, all items in the File Geodatabase will be in the same projection. But say you added supplementary data that is in a different projection, which is a common occurrence with water bodies, or you're just not sure if something may have been changed. Do this step to ensure that your file geodatabase and all of its layers are in the same coordinate system. Expand the ACPF toolbox and expand utilities and double-click on Project ACPF FGDB to New Spatial Reference. This tool has three values that we will be filling out. The first is our existing file geodatabase. Click the folder to open and then choose our geodatabase and click OK. The next item that we will choose is our output directory. We will be moving the geodatabase to a new folder in order to know that it has been projected. Click on the folder to open up the window and go to a folder where you can then right-click and click Folder to create a new folder. And we will call this Projected. Click on it to select it and click OK. Our new projected folder occurs as the output directory. Before we choose our output spatial reference, let's go back to Catalog and scroll down and open up our ACPF geodatabase. In this test geodatabase, our boundary has a spatial reference of UTM Zone 15 North. So does the buffer, and so do our crop data layers. However, our lakes do not. They are in state plane. Same with the wide rivers. This is why we are running this utility, to make sure that they are all in the same coordinate system. Click on the Geoprocessing tab to go back to the tool, and click on the globe to open up the Output Spatial Reference Coordinate System window. We will go ahead and convert this to Albers. So we'll type in Albers into the search bar. We'll expand the projected and continental North America. And we'll just go ahead and choose NAD 83 Contiguous USA Albers. Click OK. And then click Run to run the tool. The Project ACPF File Geodatabase to New Spatial Reference tool has finished running. So we will click back on Catalog. In our folder that we had created, the new folder Projected, we have the Projected folder. We will open it up. There we see the file geodatabase containing the same name that it had before. We will expand that. And let's go ahead and check the properties for the boundary. Spatial reference. There it is in Albers. We'll check the same for lakes. That also is Albers. And you know what? We'll check the crop data layer as well. Albers. So this tool has gone ahead and converted everything in the file geodatabase to the coordinate system Albers. To recap, we discussed why you would need to run the Project ACPF File Geodatabase to New Spatial Reference utility. The next video will be the fifth utility, Get Terraces.